I'm Jordi Wiersma. I've been working for Donkervoort, I think about 20 years almost now. I'm predominantly working on the exterior design, the interior design of all the car models since 2006, more or less. Obviously, every time we design a car at Donkervoort, we want it to be an improvement on its predecessor. Why else would we design a new car? But I think the biggest challenge for us here at Donkervoort is that we as a team, we love our work so much, we enjoy it so much that every update on the car, every change that we do, it becomes this relentless pursuit of improving handling, improving safety, improving performance, but still keeping it light, keep it simple, keep it a Donkervoort sports car. And I think when you see the P24 and especially the P24RS, you will see all these quirky details, all these elements that sort of showcase how much we enjoy what we do and how much we love the product that we build. And when you see the new car, you will see that we took all this feedback from our customers, from our family, and turned this into this amazing celebration of what Donkervoort stands for. So one of the biggest challenges that we had is that we had to take this relatively big engine and squeeze it into this cigar shape. We wanted to improve the performance of the engine, so we had to get more air into the car to dissipate the heat coming from the engine. So for the design, that meant that we had to come up with all these quirky solutions and use every millimeter inside the packaging space that we had to make it a Donkervoort. Well, the biggest difference in the process of developing the P24 versus the F22 was that we used aerodynamics from day one. So we looked at the F22 and saw where it was performing really well and where it wasn't performing so well. We used that as an input for our design process. So for instance, the exhaust tip on the F22 is in the rear of the car. For the P24, we positioned it in a way that actually helps us with the airflow around the front wheels, reducing the drag of the car and improving handling. We also saw when we were looking at the aerodynamics of the F22, we saw that in the front of the car, we could improve a lot if we make it a bit more compact. That meaning that we had to come up with a new design for the headlights, for instance. And I think we came up with something really creative there to improve the airflow around the car. What I really like about this car is that, it's the duality of the concept. On one hand, you have this sleek, road-going supercar, but on the other hand, the driver can take it to the racetrack, transform it into this track-oriented beast, and break records with it. And I'm really excited to share that with you in the upcoming months.